Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So welcome to Durga Puja series 2021. Today is the first day and we are gonna create this stunning look. It's a one eyeshadow look. I'm super happy to share this look. Of course, it's very easy to create. You can definitely skip the base if you want to. You can just go for the eye makeup. It's simply stunning and you really need one product and that is it. Also, I'm wearing this beautiful jewelry which complements the makeup and I'm totally loving this look. So today in this video I'm gonna share how I prepare my skin for the makeup, and also I'm gonna share how I created this look, and I have used minimum products. I'm gonna list it down below, so if you guys are interested then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start with preparing my skin, and for that I will be using the Ayurveda Suvarna Haldi Chandan Brightening Face Pack. It is a made in India product. It is cruelty free, it is all natural and also vegan. Also, this contains multani mitti, haldi, neem. There is also rose and orange extract and sandalwood powder. This has no artificial fragrance or color. This comes in a powder form, so you have to mix it with either lavender water or rose water according to your skin type. So I'm going to use this brightening face pack with the Ayurveda pure rose water. So I'm going to take 2 spoons and I'm also going to add some rose water. Now I'm going to mix it very nicely with the spoon, of course. Also, the paste is going to look like this and I'm going to apply this all over my skin. So as you can see, I've applied it all over my face. Now I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes or until it gets dry. So I just washed my face and applied some moisturizer, and you can see my face has become much more brighter. It looks very clean and it is very soft and smooth as well. So I'm going to leave the link to buy this product in the description box below. Now let's get started with the makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. I'm going to apply this all over my face, massage it really nicely. It provides a good amount of hydration and also gives that beautiful glow. I absolutely love this. Now next, moving on to my foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. The shade here I'm using is 06. I'm going to use it using my beauty blender. Now you can definitely go for a brush, but I prefer beauty sponge. Next, for my concealer, I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer. The shade I'm going with is 04 and it has a beautiful coverage. I'm going to highlight my under eyes, nose, chin and also my forehead and blend it with the same makeup sponge. The makeup sponge here I'm using is from Mars Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna blend it really nicely and take my time blending it, so that it gives that really nice coverage and also covers up all the pigmentation. I'm going to take it on my eyelid as well, and it will act as a primer, as my eyeshadow base, and it is going to cancel out all the pigmentation I have. Now for my powder, I'm using the K Beauty Loose Powder. The shade here I'm using is Banana. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and then I'm going to apply a little bit of this all over my face and set it with the makeup sponge. And I'm going to blend it very nicely and press it down so that it does not crease. For my contour and blush, I'm using the Faces Canada Face Palette. I'm going to use the contour powder to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and I'm also going to contour my forehead plus my nose very lightly so that it doesn't look harsh. And yes, I'm definitely going to apply a little bit of blush, and then I'm gonna set my face using the MAC Fix Plus. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm using the Forever 52 highlighter here. I absolutely love this because of the intense glow, and I'm gonna apply this on the highest points of my face. Next, for my brows, I'm using the MAC Eyebrow Styler. The shade here I'm using is Spiked. It is a very good eyebrow product. Honestly, it just gives that really nice natural looking brow finish. And I'm just going to fill it in, and then using the spoolie, I'm gonna brush it through. Now for my eyeshadow, I am going to use only one product, and this is the e.l.f. Liquid Eyeshadow. The shade I'm using is Dirty Martini. It's a beautiful and gorgeous shade. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and then with a dome shaped blending brush, I'm just going to blend it on my crease. You don't have to be precise, you have to just blend it very nicely so that it doesn't look harsh. And I'm just going to do the same thing on my lower lash line. Just apply and blend it with the same brush. I'm just going to intensify the shade. I'm going to apply this and blend it with my finger. And then again, I'm just going to take the same highlighter which I used before and I'm going to apply this on the center again. And using the same highlighter, I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and also on my inner corner. For mascara, I'm using the Natasha More mascara and it was my first time trying this out and I absolutely loved it. I fell in love, honestly. It just gives that really nice volume and length to my lashes. Absolutely loved it. Lastly, for my lipstick, I used the Morphe cream lipstick right here. I wasn't happy with the cream finish, so I applied a little bit of that same blush to make it more matte. This is the final look without the bindi, and if you are wearing a western outfit, you can definitely skip the jewelry as well. Now for the bindi, I have used the sugar eyeliner right here, and you can see with bindi also it looks very beautiful. Alright, so this is the first look for the Durga Puja series 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also if you like the look, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video and help me reach 60k subscribers before Durga Puja. So I will see you guys on my next video, which is tomorrow, with another look. So stay tuned for that, and I'm also going to mention all the product details down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. So see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.